Situated among the bustling neighborhoods of 7 million people, the Golden Gate National Parks are the Bay Area's ultimate fitness centers.
With very little effort, you can really get into a completely different environment, and I think it certainly relieves stress to get a little bit of exercise, get a change of scenery, a little change of pace.
Through innovative programs for all ages, the parks invite their 7 million neighbors to get outside, have fun, and get healthy too. 196 miles of trails lead to nature, history, and spectacular scenery. And some of these trails actually begin outside the parks, right in a neighborhood.
We teamed up with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the YMCA's here in San Francisco, and we started to create community trailheads.
Community trailheads provide information on park activities, trails, directions, and encouragement to get active. 22,000 people each year find another way to get healthy, by pitching in to lend a hand. Research shows volunteering to correlate with lower rates of obesity, depression, and mortality. Volunteering is aerobic exercise that's good for the whole person. The Golden Gate National Parks and its community partners offer limitless opportunities for people of all ages to get outdoors and get healthy.
Summer days, feels just like it's on the way. Kids are out, safe to play, and it feels just like a beautiful day. Cloud in the sky, summer days, feels just like it's on the way. Kids are out, safe to say that it feels just like a beautiful day. A beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day. La da da.
Project here is offering places where parents can bring their children and come together. Is something that we really need to get out and advocate and make sure the patients know that these services are available.
Close your eyes, close your eyes, and then keep them closed, and then listen for all the different things that you can.
Hi, I'm Mark Cucuzella, Race Director of Freedom's Run and a family physician here in Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. Come join us for a race of health and heritage.
Discover the rich history of our area as you run through 4 national parks, such as Harpers Ferry National Historical Park.
Why come to Harpers Ferry? We have so much. We have beautiful mountains, gorgeous rivers, and history that just doesn't stop. This is one of the most historic places in the United States, and for that matter in the world. This is a place of first.
During the run, you'll also visit the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal National Historical Park, Antietam National Battlefield, and the Potomac Heritage Trail.
In 1961, John F. Kennedy stated in a conference of physical activity and youth, "We do not want in the United States a nation of spectators. We want a nation of participants in the vigorous life. This is not a matter which can be settled from Washington. It is a matter which starts with each individual family. For those who live in West Virginia and share its sense of place, the family extends to the community." Come join us in October.
I'm Charm Lindblad, Executive Director of New Mexico Healthcare Takes on Diabetes and the Prescription Trails program. The goal of Prescription Trails is to provide healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, with a tool to prescribe walking and wheelchair rolling on selected routes and trails. As a healthcare-based tool, we've developed a prescription as well as a walking guide which lists all of our parks, trails, and loops. I am standing in one of the Albuquerque Prescription Trails Park, and as you can see, we look for certain criteria. It's safe, and it is an environment that is conducive for people to come out and be physically active. We also have a pet prescription. When a veterinarian prescribes a prescription specifically to walk a dog, then we get a double bonus. Not only the owner gets to walk, but so does the dog.
I was Attila Balati with the National Park Service, Rivers, Trails, and Conservation Assistance Program. And I think what we're doing well is here that we're actually evaluating both the delivery system, our physicians using the tool, and we're trying to evaluate the other side. Are the patients benefiting from this? Are they using the parks more? Are they liking the park experience? This is leading even broader thinking to park prescriptions and other initiatives coming out from other agencies, thinking about how parks, forests, other public lands can be places that the public can get prescriptions for physical activity.
It's important to walk for your health. It's never too late to get up and get moving.
Hi, my name is Truman Tollfree, Little Rock Parks and Recreation Director, and we're standing right in the center of St. Vincent Plaza, which serves as the gateway into our wonderful medical mile. You know, I think that one of the most important investments that any city can make is the investment in its human capital. I think that the medical mile makes a major statement on the part of the city of Little Rock about how much it really does care about the health and wellness of its citizens. As we take a tour through the park, and as we talk about the major components of the medical mile, you will see the emphasis that we're putting up on the health and wellness of our citizens, and hopefully you will agree that there's nothing else any more important than that. Come on with me. Welcome back. You know, within the Little Rock Parks and Recreation Park system, we have over 6,000 acres of parkland, which encompasses roughly 56 parks. The medical mile has 3 different components. The entranceway, St. Vincent, that we mentioned earlier, the portion that we're standing in now, which is the wellness walkway, and a wall which displays sculpture. The walk itself is roughly about 520 feet. As you walk along, it gives you several tips about how you can improve, your health and your wellness, things that you should be doing, things that you should not be doing. So it's a very educational journey for anybody who comes.
Your East Bay Regional Parks. Embrace life.
I value the opportunity to make outdoor living and wellness a part of my life, my kids' life, and my patients' lives. Getting outside, getting exercise, and managing their stress. And in the park, it's a great place to do almost all of those things.
Be well, get healthy, outdoors in your East Bay Regional Parks. Embrace life.